Nahihirapan ka bang mag-solve ng negative exponent gaya ng 4 to the power of negative 3 at saka 2 to the power of negative 4? So, panoorin mo ang video na ito at tuturo ko sa inyo yung pinakasimple at pinakamabilis na tricks ng mag-solve ng negative exponent. So, we start here. Susulat natin yung 4. Automatic, ang denominator ng 4 is 1. And then, the next step, hanapin natin yung reciprocal ng 4 over 1 o yung kabaliktaran. So, yung 4 over 1 magiging 1 over 4. Tapos, dito, yung exponent na negative 3 magiging positive na siya. So, 1 over 4, negative 3 magiging positive na siya. So, 1 over 4 to the power of 3. And then, simply multiply. I-multiply natin ang 4 ng tatlong beses. So, 4 times 4 times 4 equals 4 times 4 is 16. And then, 16 times 4 is 64. So, ang final answer natin dito is 1 over 64. So, try natin ang isa pang example. 2 to the power of negative 4. So, same step. Gaya ng ginawa natin sa una. 2, automatic 1. And then, hanapin natin yung kabaliktaran ng 2 over 1 o reciprocal. So, magiging 1/2 na siya. And then, dito, yung negative magiging positive na siya. So, 2 to the power of 4. And then, simply multiply. Yung denominator, same 1. And then, i-multiply natin yung 2 ng 4 na beses. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2, 16. So, yung final answer natin sa exponent na 2 to the power of negative 4 ay 1 over 16. So, ganyan lang kasimple guys. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Panuorin nyo na to at pag-aralan dahil napaka-easy. So, thank you guys for watching.